Hi, welcome to the countdown to Miles, Menus, and Mystery. We're your hosts. I'm Lexi.
And I'm Drew. And today, we're talking about what to expect from our channel, and at the end of the video, we're having a very special giveaway.
Before we get started, we'd like to talk about why we created M3 and those who inspired us to.
The purpose of M3 is to not only showcase the strange occurrences and happenings in towns and cities, but also to support tourism and local businesses such as restaurants, attractions, and more.
Because when we're reading books from our favorite cryptozoologists, as well as watching films on the topics, we wonder, what would it be like to visit those locations? Where would we eat? Where would we stay? And to show that you can do that as well.
As we mentioned our favorite cryptozoologists and films on the topic, there are a few in the field who have inspired us. I'd like to start with Jim Harold. I think it was one day 7 years ago, I was Googling literally paranormal podcast, and as you can imagine, Jim Harold's paranormal podcast was the first one to pop up. Small Town Monsters, David Weatherly, Nick Redfern, Shannon LeGros, Lyle Blackburn,
as well as Dave Spinks, Greg and Dana Newkirk, BuzzFeed Unsolved, and many others. When it comes to expectations for the channel, we don't want it to be about us. We want the focus on our guests, the towns we visit, and the mysteries explored.
Now earlier we did mention a giveaway and Jim Harold, so we figured why not combine the two by giving away 1 year of Jim Harold's Plus Club. The link for that contest will be in the description of our video on YouTube and on Instagram. Every week leading up to our first episode on April the 19th, we will release a new countdown to M3 video where you can learn a little bit more about us, and our giveaway winner will be selected on the video that comes out on Friday, April the 12th. Thanks for watching.
I'm Lexi.
And I'm Drew.